Hi, welcome to my video. I thought what better to do on this chilly day than clean out my fridge. We just got back from vacation and so it's looking a bit empty, at least compared to normal, and this really is the perfect time to do a little cleaning. Besides, I'll be going to Costco later to get groceries and it will be nice to have a clean fridge for the new year. I'm just getting out my supplies here: cleaner, towels, a dish wand, and a vacuum with a long nozzle. I love listening to podcasts while I clean, and currently I've been really into kind of Cold War espionage stories, and I'm listening to a good one now called The Agent. Highly recommend. As I take items out of the fridge, I am checking to see if any of them are expired. I've been having a problem sometimes with the food in these bottom drawers freezing, especially the stuff that's like right on the bottom or in the back. And I read online that sometimes putting a paper towel or cloth down helps to prevent that, but it didn't seem to work for me. If you have any tips, please let me know what I can do because it's very frustrating. Before spraying the fridge down with my cleaner, I want to go over every surface with this little vacuum just to suck up any of the bigger pieces. That way I'm just not moving it around, I'm actually picking up the dirt. Luckily, I don't have anything that's too stuck on, so using just a multi-purpose cleaner works fine. However, if you do have some kind of grime built up, I have used magic erasers in the past, and those work great. One of my least favorite cleaning tasks is hand washing anything, and so I think that is the one thing that holds me back from cleaning out my fridge more regularly. I do have a few of these clear refrigerator organizers that I picked up at Costco. I use them mainly for produce, especially things that are in bags like lettuce mixes, just to kind of help them stay upright. I'm gonna put the items back into the fridge before heading out to Costco. I'm placing them kind of normally where they would be, but this is gonna change a little bit once I pick up more groceries at the store. I do have produce containers that I like to use as well. These do definitely help, and I like that I'm able to stack items instead of them being in separate bags. Okay, maybe that was a tad dramatic, but I do really, really love Costco, and I'm very happy that it's winter time and that the citrus fruits are in season. I normally like to keep our produce in these bottom two drawers, and I typically separate it by vegetables and fruit. The bottom shelf I have raised a little bit higher actually so that I can see into the back, but that normally has any sort of meats as well as excess produce and water. Middle shelf always has our eggs and tomatoes and whatever else might fit in there, and the top is normally yogurts and dips. The door is pretty minimal. We actually don't have a ton of condiments, I think by most people's standards, which is good because it's a small fridge. One day I hope to have one that is twice as large. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. I really appreciate it, and I know that Fig does as well. And she said that she'd like you to subscribe to this channel and give it a like. We are planning on doing some more videos very soon, and the next one should be a Turkish-inspired one, and I hope to see you then. Thanks so much.